Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. This is Mr. Singh. Ticker symbol OCGN, Oracle Therapeutics. Folks, what a week we had. What a week, up and down, and highs of 54 cents. But before I talk on the technical side, I'm going to give you guys a quick update what's going on the fundamental side and about myself. So, folks, I'm about to have my vacation in a trip coming up to Hawaii Islands and going back to Fiji Islands on 26th. So on the 31st to 26th, I will be doing videos on OCGN and other stocks on my portfolio, and I will be sharing updates, what's going on with the technical and the fundamentals of the stock. So stay tuned. Don't worry, I'm here, just taking a trip. I'm gonna turn on my camera too, where you can see the views. And if you have any questions about those two islands, feel free, right? Apart from stocks, you can always ask me anything you want to. But if you have any questions about those two beautiful islands in the paradise, do ask me that, because I will share, because I've been there many times and they are my favorite islands to visit. Also, on the stock side, right? I know there's a fear of what's going on of OCGN, and is it gonna go up or is it gonna go down, right? I want to share with you guys, we have 92 institutional holders, like hedge fund holders, and they are big dogs, right? They are alphas on these things, such as Vanguard, right? Capital Corporate, BlackRock. The other one was really caught my eye was the Luminous Management. So I did some research on that. They are also one of the top investors on the penny stocks too. So do we see OCGN as a penny stock? I don't see OCGN as a penny stock, but unfortunately it is. So you can even see Bank of America Corporation is also part of it. Morgan Stanley is there. So name it, like I said, there's about 92 industrial holders, up to 32,874 shares are being held by the hedge funds. So don't get upset, right? We're not going anywhere, right? This is just a start. I want to talk about quickly about shorts. What's the short interest? We can clearly see the short average interest was high, but in January we kind of decreased, right, up to 23 million. Days to cover was 13 days. So short has been decreasing slowly, and that's a good sign for a reversal. And the charts do indicate that, which I'm about to share with you guys. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere, because a lot of things needs to be covered moving forward. As you clearly see that I am using a new style of recording it, because I am taking my gadgets, my laptop with me. I want to make sure that I get comfortable, so that's why I started using it. And feel free to tell me on the comment down below, what do you think about my previous video and this video? What is much better and clear and understanding on that? So I really appreciate your feedback on that. So 5 days, like I said, we went low of 0.49 cents, went high of 57 cents. It was an option expedite, that's why it happened up here, but we've been sitting on that roughly around that. But 5 days, you can see my pink line, which is sitting at 53 cents, was acting as a massive support level. We're gonna look at 1 month, right? What are the key things we're looking at it? This is what caught my eye really good, because we have tested 49 cents 3 times, creating some sort of a double bottom, but we were so close in January to have a breakout happens, but it didn't, and it got rejected quickly. But we still made grounds, and we're testing those two key levels. Look at the MACD on 1 month chart, so right here, right? Phenomenal, but we need a crossover. The blue line needs to be crossed over, right? Sorry, the yellow line is still on top, so we have the crossover. My apologies. We do have the crossover. RSI have a lot of room left, a lot of energy left to go all the way high. The pink line, it is my 200-day EMA. You can see it's sitting as a $53 as a support, $53 as a support level. Right on over there, what we closed on the market, so a little bit higher than that. And my purple line, it is the 60-day EMA. We're sitting at about 52.92 cents. So really looking good for me, right? And for us, sorry, I meant for us, right? It is looking really good, because what I wanted to see and what I'm seeing right now, this is This is what I'm talking about, folks, and I'm going to share with you guys quickly. You can clearly see that we are about to have a changeover very soon. Very soon. MACD, RSI comes in, volume predicts price, right? Volume is there, but it's not there where it used to be, but volume is there. A lot of RSI is still pointing up. A momentum is gaining for an uptrend because there's a less of short interest. Order flow, you can see the last week we still had people who were selling it. A lot of sellers are going on, pushing the price at a steady level, and buyers were stepping in because I don't blame them, right? If you're holding these shares for so long, getting frustrated because it's not moving, coming down, and this could lead to that. So I don't blame anybody on that because it makes absolutely sense sometimes to do that, right? Always have a plan how you invest, right? Because if you don't know if you have struggles with your entry and exit point, can do that frustration on that. Trust me, I've been through many times and have learned in the hard way to do that. 6 months, as I mentioned, right here, folks, we still have this crossover right here. See, the pink line is still right over here and is squeezing it. So that's the squeeze right here that I am seeing it. So you can clearly see that. I'm gonna have my chart ready for you guys, and it is gonna be drawing in between this channel right up here. If I know how to use my right. Sorry, folks. I've been working on this program for such a while right now, and that's why I want to show you guys. Here you go. Right, perfect. Here you go. So you see the squeeze right here, right? We don't have this gap from 50-day, 60-day EMA to my 200-day EMA. It is coming closer. This is where we want to see. Right now it's holding on the 6 months, and we just barely break out on our 60-day EMA. RSI is still pointing up, so that is a good sign because that's what I like to see in terms of trading it, because it is holding a good momentum on that. So this is what I want to see is going to be happening. It's right up here, trading between, getting rejected again, right? Testing again like this, creating higher highs, higher lows, and it's going to be going up like this around here, right? So that is that. This is the prediction that I am doing based on the technical analysis, not a final advisor, just doing my fundamentals and my technical analysis. This is will be the trading on this pattern right up here, pulling it back, going testing high, because we are holding this area. We are holding this area right up here, right here. See, we are holding on this area. So apologies of my drawing skills. It's not one of the favorite things that I always do it. So let's take this. This is wanted to show you guys where OCGN it will be heading, right? And I wanted to quickly share with you guys because, folks, don't worry. Folks, don't worry about that because it is gonna be that pattern that is gonna be coming up very soon, because I can clearly see this. It's been holding time and time, and it has been a phenomenal run right now. Is going to be happening very soon. So quickly going to look at the year to date before I let you guys go. Doing the videos on the weekend because I wanted to quickly share with you guys what is intake for us, what is about to happen, and things like that, because those things do matter for us, right? I want to make sure that you guys are well observed of what's going on and what is going to be happening down to the road, because that is something to keep an eye moving forward. There you go. Sorry, folks. I am just want to make sure that I am. There you go. Perfect. So keep an eye right here. Keep an eye right here. We are holding it both in a thin line, those two areas. And when we have this breakout right here, we're going to have that. But folks, overall, I like what I see on the stock, on OCGN. Don't get disheartened. Don't be depressed on that, because it is about to get those momentum and push high on that, right? We know the earnings is back in March. It's on March 21st, if I'm not mistaken. Be ready. There is a lot of momentum coming up, and you definitely don't want to miss it out, because that is going to be the run coming up. and this is what I wanted to do with period. This is the chart we're looking at. 58 cents, 55. It is our resistance level sitting over here. On year to date, you can clearly see that the MACDs are kind of slowing, less sellers going on. RSI, it is on an oversold territory. An oversold territory results going and up. So be prepared. It is coming. Sorry for the delay on that, because I am getting comfortable on my laptop. How to use it is much easier on the computer than on the laptop, but I will get the hang of it. And don't worry, I will do the video before I go on the vacation to give you guys an update what is going with OCGN, what are we looking at it, so the next steps coming up. So, and I'm keeping an eye on the short interest, and also on the option trading, because something to keep an eye on, folks. Option trading is also available, so keep an eye if you're thinking to go up or high on that. I am very interested. I have not invested in the option trading on OCGN, but I am monitoring it really close, which I'm going to share on my next video. So keep an eye. We have to have 0.558 cents is the break resistance level. Clearly see that the low of the resistance is sitting, support level is sitting at 50 cents. We know, even though it break out at 49 cents. Overall, I like what I see. Hey folks, buckle up. We're gonna have a good ride coming up very soon, and everything is pointing towards that trend, right? Everything is pointing towards that trend, and it is going an uptrend right now and making higher highs, higher lows. So thank you folks for watching it. Have a great weekend. Talk to you guys later. And don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Your support is highly appreciated. Keeps me motivated to make these videos and share with you guys at all the times. Thank you.